Doing a Dutch oven turkey. But first we are gonna go ahead, set up our rotisserie so we can tan up the skin a little bit and make it a little crispy. We got some garlic mustard we're gonna stuff the cavity with. I got some wild onions growing around here, so we're gonna go ahead and harvest some of them. Get this fire. Right here we got some wild onions growing. I'm gonna go ahead, dig some of them out. I already started it, but I'm gonna get some wild onions, put them inside that turkey. Now we're gonna put it in the ground. That one's a little close to the log. Let's see. I don't like to disturb nature too much. I try to leave everything kind of fine the way it was. Well, here we are. We got some onions. We're going to be collecting some fiddleheads today. Go along with it, and for the freezer. And I got my boyfriend with me today. He's helping me. He's going to be teaching me on how to trap. So you'll have that to look forward to. Get some hunting videos done. And a few other things. Definitely got fishing videos coming up this year. Fire done. Got DJ. He's got some of it already started. An ant. I don't want to cook him.
He's protein.
Yeah, I know he's protein, but I still don't want to eat him.
It's kind of like a Sour Patch Kid.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got like a little zing to him. They're not bad.
So he's got his bundle down in here in the center. Started. I almost thought the wind blew it out for a minute.
Me too. Oh, that's going.
So we're gonna let this build up. Get this. Yeah, it's going now.
Well, it's brewing now.
When you're doing your fire and you're using a rotisserie, make sure you take the rotisserie piece off the top so it don't dry out, because you want that to be wet wood, so don't. I'm gonna take this turkey out of the bag. I'll put ice in there to help keep it cold on our way in here. One of my favorite knives. I got 4 more coming up, so I got a video that I'm going to be doing with these knives. So that'll be a nice video. So make sure you subscribe and like so you can follow along. And pay attention for future videos for giveaways. I'm gonna put this right here for the time being. Make sure it's all emptied out. get my stick. Put that on the rotisserie. In order to do that, you're just going to put it right through the cavity. Get that skin nice and golden brown. And now we're just gonna go ahead and wait. Right here, as shown in my previous video, are fiddleheads. We got the V in the stalk. And that's part of what we're gonna be harvesting today. And we're only 1 to 2 behind, so I'll leave that one. They're just coming out, so they still got some underneath the ground. But I'm gonna leave a few behind. With similar taste to asparagus. Yeah, as you can tell, it's starting to get golden brown. I can feel that heat coming my way. So, she's definitely getting there. Coals for this, so I'm going to keep building up my coals. I'm going to pull this turkey off here soon. Our turkey breast is golden brown now. I'm going to take that lid off. Pan. Set that there and pull it off. And I'm going to continue making more coal. We're going to start building shelters here soon. We're going to take these onions, stuff them in our cavity. This turkey. Throw some of the fiddleheads in there. I didn't realize somebody went and put the Dutch oven on the fire already, but that's alright. So that's what we are looking at right now. Got some nice hot coals down in there. The bottom, and I can hear it cooking in there.
Yes, charcoal.
Do you want my spoon?
No, we're good. It's almost down to the bone now. I'm just cutting everything off for everybody. Got the knife, might as well do it for it.
Well, a little bit of an epic fail, but it is still edible.
Not an edible. Oh, can't waste that one.
Yeah, don't waste that piece.
There you go. Anything's edible.
Anything's edible?
Anything's edible.
I know, right?
But it's on to it. Everything's edible.
Got a little bit of onion flavor to it.
What?
So it's got a little bit of onion flavor to it.
A little burnt. Right?
I don't give a shit. It's moist.
Right.
That's all that matters. tuned for the next video.